Okay, so as you know that the toolbars are a very important piece of any software because of their one-click operation. That is, you can do things with just one mouse button click. Now, the latest versions of MS Excel, they come with a very limited toolbar, but you can always customize it. Now, to customize a toolbar in MS Excel, you click on this drop down arrow located at the end of toolbar. You will be presented with a drop down menu. From this drop down menu, you select the more commands option and you will be presented with an Excel options dialog box. And this dialog box right in the middle, you are presented with a lot of different options that you can add to your toolbar. For example, if I choose this copy and then I select add in the middle and then I click on OK to close this dialog box, you'll notice that a copy button has been added into my toolbar. So similarly, if you want to add more buttons, just click on this arrow, choose more commands, and then you can select from a lot of different options that are given to you. So that's how you customize your toolbar.